Have you ever looked around your space and thought it could use a little something extra? A bit of life? A pop of color? Maybe just a touch of nature? Well, today, we're diving into the wonderful world of indoor plants. Not only do they look fantastic and liven up any room, but they can also boost your mood, increase creativity, and even purify the air you breathe. It's like having a tiny, leafy roommate that actually helps with the chores. So, whether you have a green thumb or you've accidentally killed every plant you've ever owned, don't worry. Ivy put together a list of the top 10 best indoor plants that are perfect for everyone. We'll cover everything from the nearly indestructible to the stunningly beautiful. Let's get ready to grow and transform your home into a green oasis. First up on our list is the absolute superstar for beginners, the pothos, also known as devil's ivy. If you're new to plant parenthood, this is your perfect starting point. Why? Because it's incredibly forgiving. Did you forget to water it? It'll probably be fine. Is your apartment a bit on the darker side? It can handle low light conditions, although it thrives in bright, indirect light. One of the coolest things about pothos is its beautiful, heart-shaped leaves that trail down, making it perfect for hanging baskets or placing on a high shelf. Plus, it's an air-purifying powerhouse, known for filtering out common household toxins. You can find them with all sorts of variegation, from golden to marble queen. Seriously, if you want a plant that gives you maximum reward for minimum effort, the pothos is your go-to. Next, let's talk about the snake plant, or sansevieria. This plant is the definition of tough love. It's got these striking, upright leaves that look like modern art, adding a real architectural element to any room. The snake plant is famous for being almost indestructible. It's incredibly low light tolerant, so it's perfect for that dim corner where nothing else seems to grow. And get this, it's one of the few plants that release oxygen at night, which makes it an amazing bedroom companion for a better night's sleep. It's also very drought tolerant, so if you're a chronic overwaterer or an infrequent waterer, the snake plant will put up with you. It's a stylish, low-maintenance workhorse that's basically the superhero of houseplants. What's not to love? Moving on to number 3, we have the ZZ plant, short for Zamioculca zamiifolia. The ZZ plant is another contender for the unkillable title. If you travel a lot or are just plain forgetful, this plant is your new best friend. It has these beautiful, wide, dark green leaves that are so glossy they almost look fake. The ZZ plant is extremely drought tolerant because it stores water in its underground rhizomes, which look like little potatoes. This means you can go weeks, sometimes even a month, without watering it. It also tolerates low light like a champ. It's a slow grower, but its resilience is unmatched. It's the perfect set-it-and-forget-it plant that still looks lush and sophisticated. So, if you're looking for drama-free greenery, the ZZ plant is an excellent choice. At number 4, we have the cheerful and charming spider plant. This one is a classic for a reason. It has long, arching leaves that give it a fountain-like appearance, and it's super easy to care for. It prefers bright, indirect light, but can adapt to lower light levels. One of the best things about the spider plant is that it's completely non-toxic, making it a safe choice for homes with curious pets or small children. And here's the really fun part. A happy spider plant will produce little baby plants, or spiderettes, that dangle from the mother plant like little spiders on a web. You can easily snip these off and propagate them to create new plants. It's literally the plant that keeps on giving. Plus, it's another excellent air purifier. Now, for a plant that brings a taste of the tropics right into your living room, the Monstera deliciosa. You've definitely seen this one on Instagram. Its iconic, fenestrated leaves, that's the fancy word for the natural holes and splits, make it a true showstopper. The Monstera adds an instant jungle vibe to any space. While it looks high maintenance, it's surprisingly manageable. It loves bright, indirect light to encourage those beautiful splits in its leaves. Give it something to climb on, like a moss pole, and watch it go. It does like its soil to be consistently moist but not waterlogged. As it matures, the leaves get bigger and more dramatic. If you want a statement plant that makes you feel like you're on a permanent vacation, the Monstera deliciosa is the one for you. Let's talk about another major statement piece, the fiddle leaf fig. This plant has been an interior design darling for years, and for good reason. Its huge, violin-shaped leaves are absolutely stunning. The fiddle leaf fig demands attention and can easily become the focal point of a room. Now, I will be honest, this one is a bit more of a diva than the others we've discussed. It needs a lot of bright, indirect light. Think near a sunny window, but not in the direct sunbeams. It also doesn't like to be moved around and prefers a consistent watering schedule. But if you can meet its needs, you'll be rewarded with a truly spectacular indoor tree. It's a bit of a challenge, but the payoff is a plant that looks like it came straight out of a design magazine. Next on our list is the elegant and serene peace lily. This plant is beloved for its gorgeous, glossy green leaves and its stunning white blooms, which look like white flags of peace. The peace lily is not a true lily, so it's less toxic than other lilies, but it's still best to keep it away from pets. What makes this plant so user-friendly is that it's very communicative. When it's thirsty, its leaves will droop dramatically, telling you exactly when it needs a drink. Give it some water, and it will perk right back up within a few hours. It prefers medium to low light and can even produce its beautiful spathes in lower light conditions. It's also one of NASA's top-rated plants for air purification. For a touch of grace and beauty, the peace lily is a fantastic option. At number 8, we have a plant that's both beautiful and useful, aloe vera. This succulent is famous for the soothing gel inside its leaves, which can be used to treat minor burns and skin irritations. It's like having a little first aid kit growing on your windowsill. Aloe vera has thick, fleshy leaves with serrated edges, giving it a distinctive architectural look. As a succulent, it thrives in bright, direct sunlight and requires very little water. In fact, the biggest mistake people make is overwatering it. You'll want to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. It is a super low-maintenance plant that's perfect for a sunny spot in your kitchen or office, and it's always ready to help with a little sunburn. Let's move on to something truly exquisite, the orchid. Many people are intimidated by orchids, thinking they are delicate and impossible to keep alive, but with a little knowledge, you can enjoy their breathtaking, long-lasting blooms for months. The most common type, the Phalaenopsis or moth orchid, is actually quite adaptable to indoor environments. They prefer bright, indirect light and a special orchid potting mix, which is usually bark-based rather than soil-based. The trick to watering is to not overdo it. Many people use the ice cube method, placing 1 or 2 ice cubes on the potting medium once a week to provide a slow, steady drip. When an orchid reblooms, it's an incredibly rewarding experience. It's a symbol of elegance and luxury that you can totally master. Finally, at number 10, we have a whole category of plants, succulents. This is a huge and diverse group that includes everything from the classic Echeveria rosettes to the quirky string of pearls and the spiky Haworthia. What they all have in common is their ability to store water in their leaves, making them incredibly low maintenance and drought tolerant. They come in an endless variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, so you can create fascinating arrangements. Most succulents love bright light and need well-draining soil. They are perfect for small spaces, sunny windowsills, and for people who might forget to water their plants regularly. They are like living sculptures, and collecting them can become a very fun and rewarding hobby. So there you have it. 10 amazing indoor plants to kickstart or expand your collection. From the nearly unkillable snake plant and ZZ plant to the stunning monstera and fiddle leaf fig, there really is a perfect plant out there for every person and every home. Remember, bringing plants indoors does more than just decorate your space. It connects you with nature, cleans your air, and can be an incredibly mindful and rewarding hobby. Don't be afraid to start small with just 1 or 2. You'll be amazed at how much joy a little bit of green can bring into your life. Which of these plants is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy planting!